That VWF file contains digital signal waveforms, test patterns, and simulation data used in electronic design and FPGA development. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you view and work with these vector waveform files. The fastest way to confirm a file's state is with a dedicated file reader. It's better at handling VWF files with integrity issues than most dedicated programs. VWF files are vector waveform files used in Intel Quartus Prime and Altera design tools, containing digital signal test vectors and timing waveforms for FPGA and CPLD simulation verification. They define input stimulus patterns and expected output responses for functional testing of digital designs. VWF vector waveform files use a structured format storing signal names, data types, bus widths, and time-stamped logic state transitions. The format defines input vectors as sequences of logic levels with configurable timing grid resolution and signal grouping for organized waveform display. The fundamental reading standard for VWF is set by Quartus Prime from Intel Corporation. Windows cannot validate changes to the file structure, demanding dedicated software for integrity. Windows can detect the file, but not its meaning, so proper reading requires the associated program. We need to identify a functional opener. Right-click the VWF file and choose Open With. Prioritize Quartus Prime if it shows up. If it is not there, choose any other application. The right one is out there. If the VWF file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. Since this VWF is a niche format, we can't assume a simple fix. Don't worry, we'll quickly check these key details to find where the error lies. First, opening in Quartus Prime. Launch Intel. Quartus Prime and open the VWF file using File then Open. The waveform editor displays all defined signals with their timing diagrams on a time grid. Zoom and scroll to navigate the waveform display and click signal values to view logic states at specific time points. Next, creating test vectors. Use the Quartus waveform editor to create or modify test vectors. Add input signals from your design set clock patterns using the clock tool and define input stimulus values by drawing logic levels on the timeline. Save the VWF file and run functional simulation to verify your design behavior. Finally, simulating and verifying. Run Model Sim, or Quartus built-in simulator, with the VWF file as stimulus input. The simulator applies the defined input vectors to your design and produces output waveforms for comparison. Verify that actual outputs match expected values to confirm correct design functionality. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out filemagic.com to download now. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.